Faith Nisperos is a Filipino volleyball player. She plays for the Akari Chargers of the Premier Volleyball League. Nisperos has played in the Premier Volleyball League as part of the BaliPure Purest Water Defenders, which was under a partnership with the National University at the time in 2018. In 2021, she was part of the Philippine national team which competed as the club Rebisco Philippines in the 2021 Asian Women's Club Volleyball Championship. After the conclusion of UAAP season 85 in 2023, Nisperos made herself available to get signed by a PVL club. By this time, the PVL has already professionalized. 7 teams offered her contracts. She signed with the Akari Chargers, convinced of its long-term plan for her. The PLDT high-speed hitters were her second choice. Faith was raised in Davao City, Davao del Sur to parents Ferdi and Sheila Nisperos. Faith Nisperos went to Ateneo de Davao University for her elementary education but transferred to Nazareth School of National University NU in 7th grade. She completed her senior high school studies in the same school. She would go back to the Ateneo school system, entering the Ateneo de Manila University for her collegiate studies. Faith Nisperos has represented the Philippines in international tournaments. In 2014, she was part of the squad that took part in the Asian Girls Under-17 Volleyball Championship. The Philippines returned to the tournament after a 6-year absence. In 2021, veterans and collegiate standouts made the final cut for the national team rosters that were fielded in the Asian Club Volleyball Championships in Thailand. The Rebisco men's and women's squads and Choco Mukov were tapped to represent the country in the tournament. Faith Nisperos was a member of the Rebisco women's team. Nisperos would return to international play when she and her Akari teammates were included in the Philippine senior national team squad which played in the 2023 Asian Women's Volleyball Challenge Cup in Indonesia from June 18 to 25. They finished 7th place out of 11 teams, winning a total of 3 games. Nisperos would play for the Blue Eagles of the Ateneo de Manila University in the University Athletic Association of the Philippines UAAP Volleyball Championships. Faith played alongside with her sister Yesa. She ended her stint with Ateneo last playing for them in season 85 after deciding to sign with the Akari Chargers in 2023. She forego her final year of eligibility.